This is one of the beach near in Metro Manila. In just 599 pesos, you can have all of this. That sounds good to me. Yes, I know. And this is Camaya Coast, a day-tour trip in Mariveles, Bataan via ferry boat. So how did we get here? First, we took a reservation online at booking.camayacoast.com. Put your arrival and departure date tour. Click also how many packs you are. Click see package below. You have to click the I'll reserve and follow the rest until payment. And you're good to go. You reserve your reservation. The meeting area is at Esplanade Seaside Terminal in MOA. This is also close to Vikings restaurant. You have to go straight to the terminal counter and prepare your valid IDs for validation of your booking. Once done checking for validation, proceed to your assigned ferry, a fast craft measuring 40 meters in length with 190 seating capacity that runs 1 hour and 55 minutes from Manila to Bataan.
Hi, hello. Nandito na kami sa loob ng ferry boat. Ayan, lahat ng tao na naka-booking ngayon ay nandito na rin at inaantay na lang na mapuno yung ferry. So malamig yung ferry at hindi ka maiinitan dito. Talagang swak na swak sa mga tao. So yan, so going na kami sa Bataan, Mariveles at sa Camaya Coast at so excited kami.
The ferry has spacious enough for the allotted passengers. It has 2 booking time for departure, one in 7 a.m. and the other is on 10 a.m. in the morning, just to cater a lot of tourists.
Their boarding time here in ferry boat is 6 o'clock until 6:45 a.m. And after that, if you are late, you are not allowed to go ahead. We arrived here around 5:30 in the morning, and after that, we go to the counter for the booking reservation and confirmation also. And after that, we proceed directly to the ferry. We just presented 2 IDs because we are just 2 packs IDs. And after that, there's no any further questions regarding that. And after that, you're gonna be proceeding to the ferry boat.
Foods and drink are not allowed inside ferry boat because they have their own pantry here to choose from. But if you're traveling with children, biscuit may consider it just only for kids.
So meron kaming 2 hours na travel papunta sa Camaya Coast. At medyo matagal yun. So it's not exactly 2 hours. It's gonna be 1 hour and 55 minutes based on their website. We just bring a small biscuit with us just to have some food just to eat while we are here in the ferry boat. Bilis na yung nakapag-moor. So, ano masasabi mo ngayon? Maganda ba dito? Sana makulimlim lang mamaya, no? Hindi sobrang init. Wow, ganda dito. Okay lang. Tama lang yung ano yan. Hindi siya white sand. So actually, I don't know what's really happening here. Hindi natin alam kung anong gagawin natin. Saan tayo pupunta? Saan tayo maglalagay ng locker? So this is DIY.
First thing first is to find the locker. The locker costs 100 pesos and a security deposit of 100 pesos. So in total is 200 pesos. The advance 100 will be get after you surrender the key locker when you leave.
So hello, nandito na kami sa Camaya Coast, nakarating na kami. At di namin alam kung ano na gagawin namin. So DIY lang to, kung ano-ano lang yung gagawin namin. Una naman gagawin is mag-picture-picture muna bago kami magpalit ng pang-swimming namin.
The beach island has so many restaurants to offer. I know that after a long trip, the best way to replenish energy is to eat and have a best meal while enjoying the view from the shore.
So nagutom kami ngayon, kumain kami dito sa may pancake house. Kasi may aircon sila at mainit dun sa labas. So napicturean na namin yung iba't ibang klaseng mga pagkain na pwedeng kainan dito. So now, kakain muna kami at magpapakabusog, kukuha ng energy, and then after that we continue our journey dito sa may Camaya Coast. So our first meal here in Camaya Coast, pancake house, and we order burger steak and pork steak. So we just finished yung aming lunch dito sa pancake house. Ngayon magpapalit na kami, papunta na kami sa mga slides. At dun kami masyado magtatagal ng konti. At magpapalit na kami ng aming mga swimming attire.
The facility of this resort is awesome. The toilet looks so luxury, enough for large users.
So nakapagpalit na kami. Ayun, pupunta na kami sa slides.
The only downside of this resort is no signal for mobile devices. But the island has a strong Wi-Fi signal. You can get the password in any restaurant and you're now connected anywhere in the island. To get to the main attraction of this resort, which is the Aqua Fun, you have to ride a service-free car at one of the entrance gate and travel 2 minutes from there.
So this is the moment of truth. Itatry namin yung the biggest slide.
This is where we stayed during our visit. It is a breathtaking and adrenaline-pumping experience, the giant slide in Aqua Fun. First, need to measure the weight if it is proportional to the height. All body accessories, even eyeglasses, are not allowed during the ride, and you will be climbing up the stairs that adds a nerve-wracking experience.
Oo. Hala, tayo na agad. Okay po? Okay po. Wait lang po So nakaka-enjoy yun sa pinaka-longest na slide. Ikaw, nag-enjoy ka ba?
Nahulog yung puso ko.
Next slide is good for all with friends and a company. It has 5 slides by row and all you have to do is in all 4s position facing the slides.
Katulad po ng ginawa nila noon po. Pag-push nyo po doon kay Pa-Flat, ready? Pag nyo yung katawan nyo na ganyan, then push hard. Ready? 1, 2, go!
Wait lang, umaya na may tao pa.
Last. Nagulat ako sa pangalaw.
Ay, sir, kailangan nakataas to sa harap. What's your experience? Nakakapagod na. Mainit din.
So after an amazing fun in Aqua Fun, we return to the seashore side to continue another activities, the kayak and inflatables. This time the heat from the sun is really scorching. So before you proceed with kayak and inflatables, you have to secure a slot in this counter beside the turtle nest housed. All activities are free but no reservation, no utilization.
So pupunta na kami sa inflatable, at tawag dyan? Inflatable slides. At nakaschedule kami. So lahat ng tao na pumupunta dito nakaschedule sila. So bawal silang magbigla na lang pupunta dito. So they are monitored and controlled by people dito mismo sa Camaya Coast.
Biggest fear! Release the fear! Wait lang! Anong no? Wait! Huwag niyo ko iwanan! No! Hindi, hindi. Alika na. Ito naman lulutang ka.
So, level 1 pass. O yung cellphone mo ba?
In this activity, the only thing that we need to keep clear out of the salt water is our mobile phone to take pictures and videos.
So we're using iPhone 13 Pro Max. Titingnan natin kung kakayanin ng salt water kung malaglag siya. Level 1.
So because level 2 is obstructed because of these kids, I personally demonstrated it to them how to pass this bridge.
Nagkaroon ng insulation.
So we survived. Nakabalik kami ulit. So paalis na kami doon. Ngayon magkakayak naman kami. Kasama din yung sa package namin. Medyo nakakapagod doon. It takes a lot of effort and energy.
So after an amazing experience on that inflatables, our last activities is the kayak for 30 minutes of paddles.
Kapag kayak din kami. Kayak ba to? So one of the advantage here in the island is that they have Wi-Fi everywhere. Even here in this area, I can receive messages from the messenger.
So that's it for this experience at Camaya Coast. It's already 3:30 PM now and we need to prepare ourselves to change our clothes and be ready for ferry departure.
So tapos na kami. Tapos na yung aming day tour. Hanggang alas 5 lang siya. Ngayon pabalik na kami ng ferry. Yun, nakakapagod. Ang daming activities. Pero okay naman so far. Hindi ka maubusan ng gagawin.
Our boarding time is 5 PM in the afternoon. So in all, we enjoy this beach and everything within it. Next time we will accompany our family and friends here. So please, if you enjoyed this vlog, please subscribe to my channel and see you again. Bye bye!
Ngayon, ayos naman ako. So hello, natapos na yung aming journey doon sa Camaya Coast. Nag-enjoy kami ng sobra. Ay, nag-enjoy lang kami. Enjoy lang namin yung mga slides. Sand, maganda din yung sand doon. Maganda yung lugar, maganda yung lahat. Ang linis ng paligid, ang linis ng tubig, ang linis ng lahat. Tapos ang jajali pa ng mga tao doon, yung mga staff sa ferry, ang babait. Mahal nga lang yung mga pagkain doon. Isolated island kasi. Yun lang. So, yun yung ferry. Uwi na kami at magpapahinga. So, bye-bye.